In this video, we will see how to safely assemble the MSafe Narrow Aluminum Scaffolding model number MN054, which has a tower height of 5.4 meters. First, we take two 0.75 meter push-on frames which has 7 rungs and attach 200 mm adjustable wheels to it. Each rung has a height of 2 meters and there is a gap of 280 mm between the two rungs. We attach horizontal braces on both sides to fix the frame. To prevent scaffolding from oscillating or swinging, we attach two diagonal braces you can see in this video. It is essential to check the water level to ensure that the surface is even. This ensures that the tower is on an even surface. After that, we adjust the wheels and lock them to keep the scaffolding stable in one place. Similarly, we assemble the second floor of the scaffolding. We attach 0.75 meter push-on frames on both sides and continuously lock each frame. We attach two diagonal braces on top of the previous diagonal brace. Then we attach two more diagonal braces on top of it, as you can see in this video. When assembling the narrow scaffolding, always remember that workers should climb the scaffolding from inside, usually the monkey climbing method. They should also use safety harness. Now, we install a trapdoor platform on the top. To make the scaffolding even safer and more secure, we attach outrigger triangular stabilizers. On top, we attach two guardrail frames and lock them securely from both sides. Then, we attach two guardrails on these guardrail frames, ensuring safety even when working at the edges. Finally, we attach two boards on all sides to prevent tools or equipment placed on the platform from falling down. And that's how we can assemble the MSafe Narrow Aluminum Scaffolding safely. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button next to it so that you can receive notifications for upcoming videos.